everyone. Today we will be introducing how to link uploaded documents to the requirements. First, we select the technical file you are working on. Go to the Documents tab. Click on the document you want to link. Here on top we see a green Match It button. Click on this and it will quickly help you find matches between information in the document and information in the requirements list. For example, the EN71 1, 2 and 3 here for you to choose from. It's worth noting that Match It is a support tool that helps you to quickly search for matching information. But for the documents, the areas that need attention, for example, whether the certificate or report is issued from an accredited lab, the authenticity of the certificate or report, the result in the report, whether it is fail or pass, and other points, all need to be checked by yourself. When you have checked the document, you can then link it. The blue button means you're going to need other documents as well to fulfill the requirements. The green one means the document is a 100% match and fulfills the relevant requirements. When we click on the blue button, we can add a comment about why the requirements have not been fulfilled. For example, it's a group file with 3 products in it, but now only one product picture is provided. Therefore, it's necessary to upload pictures of the other 2 products in order to make the product picture requirement turn green. Let's say here we still need pictures of model A and B. Click on Save. This way, a match is made between the current document and the requirements. Sometimes there are documents that are in image file format. The date in the document cannot be read. Our platform therefore cannot make any recommendation for matches. In this case, we need to manually process the document. Click on Show. Then the entire list of requirements is shown. After checking the document, we go through the list and select the requirements that it fulfills. Finally, click on Link. Let's go to the Requirements tab. And have a look at the match made just now. We see that EN 50419 is now green. EN 71, 1, 2 and 3 are blue. And the comments are clearly listed here in the Requirements tab. We can also link documents to requirements, in which case, is it better to link documents in the Requirements tab? For example, when a supplier uploads a number of component reports, let's say ROHS, we can click on Link to Documents. Let's assume these are all ROHS component reports. We can select them. Then click on Save and Fulfill. This way, the ROHS requirement will become green. Thank you.